guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's again a DIY video related to Mother's Day special DIY gift idea. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this world's best mom trophy. So yes, this trophy is very easy to make. It hardly took me 10 minutes to make it all, and I have made use of this sponge ball, and guess what guys, it's very cheap as well and budget friendly. At the same time, you guys know I mostly make videos which are budget friendly and which public can make it really easily. So yes, I hope my mom like it. And yes guys, if you can't buy a trophy for your mom for this Mother's Day, then you can DIY this trophy, this cute trophy. And yes, those who guys are seeing my face for the very first time, make sure to like, comment, subscribe and press the bell button to get notified whenever my video comes up. And also make sure to comment down what did you feel about this video. And yes, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, press the bell button to get notified whenever my video comes up. Also mention in the comment section what did you like about this video, and please spam the comment section. I would love reading your comments. I would reply all of them. And if you're about to try this DIY, then make sure to tag me on my social or else mail me. Feel free to talk to me on my social media. So the links of my social media is given in the description box below. So go follow my social. And yes, it's time to say goodbye to you guys. Then take care. Bye bye.